Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today we had the update for Microsoft Edge, the weekly update for security, and probably some bug fixes as there were two updates for Chrome, and there could be some integration in here with Edge. So they do say that there are some performance and bug fixes and these stable security updates. So this has arrived today, July 9th. That also wants me to say that you should check out your Chromium browser, Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, whatever you're using, to make sure you are up to date if you are not using neither Chrome nor Edge. And there probably are some updates for security because Chromium security updates go on all browsers pretty much, and it's the best way to stay safe. It's your first line of defense. Security updates are the number one reason you stay safe on a computer. So it is updated now. So if you want to check it out, you go to the upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots on Edge, Alpha feedback about Microsoft Edge. You should be at 150.0.4078.65. And that's the latest version for Microsoft Edge updates. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.